Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I just thought I'd pop on here and kind of give you an update of what's going on in my life. Last night, kind of late last night, I found out we were going to have a hard freeze last night. It was going to get down to 20, 25 degrees. So I rushed over to our travel trailer and commenced draining all the fluids out of it. That's all I had a chance to do last night. But I didn't want to wake up. I didn't want to have any problems with busted pipes and all that. I'm going to have it winterized on the 26th. So, but in the meantime, to prevent any kind of damage from yesterday, I went down there and commenced draining it. And I'm going to add this video, this little piece of video, to another little piece of video that I did about some of the things I'm going to do around here between now and spring. I'll probably start on it this week after work. Well, my days off from work, as I work tomorrow, Wednesday, and Saturday. So Thursday and Friday. It's supposed to be pretty nice this week, so I'll go out there and start on it this week. I hope I'll start on it this week. I'm going to try anyway. And so yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this down now and see if I can edit it to my other video and go from there. All right. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye bye. Hello everybody. It's me again. You see my yard there. I got to cut the grass. I just wanted to tell you about some changes I'm going to make around here, such as that tree right there is going away. I'm going to commence cutting that down probably before it snows, hopefully. And then I'm going to start cutting these hedges back toward the parking lot because I don't like them. They're nasty, and they get full of spiders and everything. So I got permission from the new owners that I can cut these back toward the driveway and kind of put up a little wall in there or something so that I can add some dirt and raise the yard up. Those stairs right there are going away. They're decrepit. Those blocks are breaking. They're not straight. They lean too much to one side. My wife had actually slipped on them once, and so those are going away. All the rock down there, this down there, is going away. Let me walk down here and I'll show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. Let me step over here, and you can see my bushes need to be trimmed down. I kind of let this place go to heck this year, and now I got to get around and get going on it. But see all these jagged rocks down here and stuff? Yes, they're going away. I'm going to take and rip all that stuff out. I'm going to fix these stairs, get rid of all these weeds. These hedges here are going to be taken down quite a ways. These are going to be cut back quite a ways away from the steps. That tree right there, not supposed to be there anyway. It came off, I don't know if you can see it. I'll get in here a little bit closer. It came off this tree right here. This tree either fell one time and they cut the rest of it down. That tree either fell one time and they cut the rest of it down. And this tree here is growing out of the roots of it. There's two reasons the tree's coming down. My neighbors want it down too, but it blocks my view of the mountains. And when I come out on the front porch, I like to look over there at the mountains, regardless of what time of the year it is. So that tree right there is going to come down. Bam, it's gone. That's going to be done. I've got to do some weed eating around here. This rock is all going to be cleaned up, going to be replaced. Same with that rock. All my bushes here I'm going to trim, get them all trimmed up and squared away. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do with this little piece here in the front yet, but I'm going to do something with that, maybe some potted plants or something along in there. Then I got to redo my carpet on my steps, redo the carpet on my porch here. So I'm going to be pretty busy between now and spring doing all this stuff. And these flowers here, I've got to cut them down because it's wintertime, they're dying out. And I have a little garden area here, little bed here that I need to rework and all that because I just let it slide. And I'm gonna put a little wall in here and extend that, raise that yard up a bit. I've got the permission to do it. Park ain't gonna do it, of course. They leave that all up to us to do. So I got the permission to do some of this stuff here, and I'm gonna get started on it. Probably not today. I might do some of it work a little bit on it this week. Maybe start taking that tree down. But anyway, just kind of an update, let you know what I got going on right now, and of course I'm still working 3 days a week. I go back to work tomorrow. Work tomorrow, Wednesday, and then Saturday. So I got a couple of days off in there that I can come out here and start on this tree. Temperature's supposed to be back up in the 60s the rest of this week after that hard freeze we had last night. So anyhow, yeah, just an update, let you know what I'm doing. As you can see through here, I've got to recut the grass, get all that cut back down, get some weed eating done, get the blower out, get some work done. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I just wanted to pop in and give you a little idea of what's happening around here today. So you guys have a great day, and bye-bye.